A very good morning, my dear Montfortians. How are you? Hopefully, you all are fine and doing well. So, dear children, today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter number 8. So, this is our chapter number 8. And what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Little Pink Lily. Here we will write part 1 because in this chapter we are having 2 parts. So one is poem also that we have done already. So today we are going to start part 1, that is chapter 8. So here we will write part 1 also, okay, like we are writing every time. So write down date and the great task on the top as it is 12th October 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Okay. So what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Little Pink Lily. So the story is about lily flower. The story is about the lily flower. Okay. So in this story we will read about lily flower, sunshine and the raindrops. What happens when they come to her home? Okay. So we will read in this chapter. I hope you all have written date and the great task. Let us start. First of all we will read these words which are given on the top. TAP tap, TINKLE tinkle, HELD held, PEEP and SPRING spring. Spring is the name of a season. Yes, it comes between winter and the summer. Let us start the chapter. You all have to keep your pencil on the word which I am reading. Little Pink Lily lived in a little dark house under the ground. Means where do Little Pink Lily lived? Under the ground. It lived in this story. According to the story, Little Pink Lily lived and her house is under the ground. Yes, so she lived under the ground in a dark little house. Dark house. Her house is dark because it is under the ground. Obviously, it is dark also. One day, she heard a little tap on the door. What is tap? Tap. This is tap. Slight sound when we are touching something and gently. When we are touching something gently, that is tap. This is tap. Yes. So one day she heard a little tap on the door. When we are going somewhere, sometimes we are tapping the door. If someone is there or not. So she heard it. She was inside and she heard somebody is doing tap on the door. Who is there? Asked Lily. Then Lily asked, who is there? Then the noise came. I am Rain and I want to come in, said a soft little voice. So when somebody tapped the door from outside and she asked who is there, the voice came, I am Rain. So who was there outside? Rain. The Rain said, I want to come in. No, you cannot come in, said Lily. Then Lily said, no, you cannot come in. Then a little later, now we are here. A little later, she heard another little tap on the window. Now earlier the tap was on the door, but now the tap was on the window. She heard another little tap on the window. Who is there? Asked Lily. Again Lily asked, who is there? Who is there outside? Then the noise came again. I am Rain. Please let me come in. Then Rain said, I am Rain. Again it was Rain. It said, I am Rain. Please let me come in. Then what Lily said? No, you cannot come in, said Lily. Lily said, no, you cannot come in. After a while means after some time. After a while, she heard a soft voice at the door. Again, at the door, a soft voice was there. Now, who was it? Who is there? Asked Lily. Then Lily asked again, who is there? Then, it is Sunshine. This time, who was there? Sunshine. So, Sunshine was there. Okay. Sunshine said a happy voice. A happy voice came outside. It is Sunshine. And I want to come in. It also said, I want to come in. Then what Lily said? No. Said little Lily, you cannot come in. Then Lily said, no, you cannot come in. Earlier, who came in her house? Firstly, the rain tapped on her door and she said, please let me come in. Then Lily said, no, you cannot come in. Then again rain came. Then again she denied. She did not let her come in. Then the next time who came? It is Sunshine. The Sunshine said, a happy voice, I want to come in. No, said little Lily, you cannot come in. Lily said, no, you cannot come in. A little later, she heard a sweet little tinkle at the door. Tinkle. Tinkle. It's tinkle. So what is the meaning of tinkle? Tinkle is a ringing sound. Okay, soft ringing sound. So a little later, then she heard a sweet little tinkle at the door. Then again she asked, who is there? Whenever anybody tap her house or tinkle at the door, which question she used to speak? She always speak, who is there? Okay. So now turn the next page. Now we are here on the next page. Okay. So who was there outside? It is Sunshine. Who was there outside? It is Sunshine. And I do want to come in. Then Sunshine said, I do want to come in. No, no, said the little Lily. Then Lily said, no, no, you cannot come in. You cannot come in. Suddenly, there were taps and tinkles all around her. Suddenly, what happened? Taps were there on the door, on the window, and tinkles were also there outside her house. Then, who is there? Asked Lily. Again, Lily asked the same question. Who is there? Then, what reply came from outside? It is rain and sunshine, said two voices together, and we want to come in. Now, who was there? Rain and sunshine, both were there outside the house. Yes? Then she said, we want to come in. Well, said little Lily, if there are two of you, I shall let you come in. Then little Lily let both of these sunshine and raindrops, she let them to come in. She opened the door and they came in. And she opened the door for them and they both came inside. Sunshine held one of Lily's little hands. Sunshine. You know the sunshine? Sun, when sun shines, the rays, we call it sunshine. Then one hand, Lily is having two hands. Okay. Then let me make. So who hold her hands? One hand. She is having two hands. Yes. So these are her two hands. So one hand who hold raindrops and one hand who hold sunshine. So they both hold her hands. So let us read it. Sunshine held. Held means she caught. She held one of Lily's little hands. She hold her little hands. Rain held Lily's other hand, and Raindrop held her another hand. So they both hold their hands. Then you can see little rain also and sunshine also. They held their hands, and what they did? Then they ran and ran and ran. They ran means they were running. They ran so much. They were out in the ground because Lily lives in the ground. So they both went inside the ground. So from ground they ran and ran and ran. And where they went? Rain and sunshine took little Lily right up to the top of the ground. And they both brought her to the top of the ground. You can see this is the ground. Okay. And Lily lives under the ground. And when rain comes, because plant needs, if any plant has to grow, seed is there, any plant has to grow, when we are keeping seeds inside the ground, So for any plant, sunshine and raindrops, both the things are required. Okay, if a seed get proper sunshine and proper rain also, water also, then it can grow very well. It comes out from the ground. So same story is there hidden. The same story is hidden beside the chapter. How little flower came outside. Then when the lily flower lived under the ground, and sunshine and raindrops. When sunshine has also gone to her ground, and raindrops, when rain was there, water also has reached to her house under the ground. They both, that seed becomes, the plant comes out from the ground. So it means this plant has come out from the ground. So for any plant, it is required sunshine. What is required? Sunshine and the water. Yes. So this is the story which we are reading. Lily is telling her story that one day I was at my house and suddenly tap was there. Who was there? Rain was there. Then again tap was there. Again rain was there. Then third time again tap was there, but sunshine was there. Means they came separate. If only sunshine will be there, then also lily plant cannot grow. If only water will be there, then also plant cannot grow. So a plant needs sunshine and water both. And when they both came her house together, and they hold her hand and they brought her outside from the ground. Okay, so rain and sunshine took little Lily right up to the top of the ground. Then they sat together, peep through that big hole. So from which hole? This is a hole. From where the plant has come out. So she said, peep through that big hole. Means, what does it mean? Peep through that big hole means, peep through means when we are peeping through. So this is hole, and when we are looking like this, that is called peep. Secretly when we are watching something, secretly when we are from window or something, from a small hole, when we are watching something, that is peep. In Hindi we say jhankna. Yes. So same way they have used this word for the lily plant. It peeped from the ground and it came out from the ground. Okay, peep through that big hole means come out from this big hole. Little Lily carefully looked up, and then Lily looked up and put her head through the ground. She found herself in the garden, and where she was? She was in the garden. Okay, you can see here in the picture also. So this is flower, little flower, lily flower. So she is there outside the ground now. She is in the ground now. Okay, so she found herself in a garden. When she came out from the ground, where she find? Oh, where I have come. Where she was? She was in a beautiful garden. She saw pretty flowers around her. You can see here lily is there, and another pretty pretty flowers are also there. So she saw pretty flowers around her. She heard the children say, "Wow, the lily is here. Now we know that spring has come." Little Lily was happy, and when the lily came out, she saw the children are talking about her. They are saying, "Wow, lily has come." Means spring season is there. Means lily flower blooms, lily flower grows when in which season? They grow in spring season. Yes, so lily flower grows in spring season. Clear? So this is what we have read in this chapter. How a little lily flower come out from the ground. So little lily flower needs sunshine also and raindrop also to grow, to come out from the ground. Okay, so I hope the chapter is clear to all of you. Read this chapter thoroughly, twice, thrice. Okay, underline difficult words. Whichever you find is difficult, you can underline it. Which are difficult, which are new to you, so you can underline those words. So this is our reading. I hope you all have understood it. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care. God bless you.